funding required for the energy transition annually is $2.4 trillion. It's a massive number. It's so big that you can't even quite contemplate it. So while the numbers seem almost unaddressable, if you look from the bottom up and you say, how can we work with what we have, bringing in different pools of capital into the system and potentially be able to get to these numbers that we so desperately need?
CCMM was established with the main purpose of really raising funds now. And the idea is to bring in private sector money to complement the public sector funding. We worked with the London Stock Exchange to list the program, the CCMM program. We're very pleased with the interaction, and it's a new entity, and having the ability to be responsive was very important to us.
This is a true innovation that is very well aligned with what the World Bank does best, which is to mobilize private capital for sustainable development.
We were able to get a AA1 and AA plus rating from Fitch and Moody's respectively. So it's a high quality issuer with an amazing impact, an amazing mission in terms of clean technology.
CIF has always been on the frontier. It's a pioneer in terms of investing in scaling advanced technologies for clean energy, scaling systems and innovative ways of accelerating the transition. What we're trying to do with the CIF is front load all the reflows that are being paid over the 40 years and using the capital markets mechanism to bring forward that funding and use that money today.
It's really about correctly positioning the entity in the market. The capital market being another sustainable source of funding, complementing that of the contributors, capitalizing, optimizing CTF balance sheet, reaching out to more investors.
The reality is that the capital stack that can pull the amount of money in to meet and even beat that 2.4 trillion happens because of partnership. It happens because of the partnership between donor funding, private capital, capital market, multilateral systems.
So to see that sheer amount of work and passion that have been put into a project deliver at the highest level was remarkable. We had an order book of over $3 billion, 6 times oversubscription of the transaction. It wasn't about just the first deal. We need to come back to the market. This is just a start of a journey.
And the response has shown that the moment has arrived for a mechanism and indeed mechanisms. Investors know that it makes sense to buy into high quality clean energy and clean technology.